I don't know, Tanya, if you recall, we spoke over the phone a while ago, and you kind of mentioned this group to me. I'm not a business broker, but I am in funding, and we help clients obviously obtain funding for business purchases or working capital, anything like that, and we look to just partner up with business brokers, and we have other lenders that we work with. Anybody that really has clients, they can refer over to us. We have an affiliate program as well. We pay out, referral commissions and everything like that. So, I figured I'd hop on here and kind of listen and see if there's, any potential in me working with any of the brokers that are in the group. So,
All right. Yeah, I mean, you guys are not, you're not an SBA lender.
no, no, we do personal unsecured loans,
Okay.
um, up to 500,000 on a strong file. And then we have some business credit cards we could do as well. But we base everything off the client's personal credit score, their personal income, and debt to income ratio. So, we're not looking at the business financials, or, we don't need a business plan, nothing like that. And, no industry restrictions. We don't even need to know what they're using the money for, but, majority of our clients are looking to buy a business, start a business, or just need some working capital. So we're a great option for that.
Yeah. What are your typical interest rates running?
Prime is about 8.5%. That's 815 credit score or better. But they do go up to 15%. We've seen 18 even. It just kind of depends on again, on the personal side of their credit, their income, their debt to income ratio and stuff like that. So,
Yeah.
um, but yeah, I mean, well qualified clients are getting up to 500,000 unsecured, no collateral, no down payment, no out of pocket cost to get funded. So we do have a fee that we charge once they are fully funded, and that's 15%. And then that covers all loan origination fees, processing fees, and then any affiliate that refers that client gets 2.5% commission for the referral. So just looking to be an extra tool for you to have in case anybody you come across somebody that doesn't qualify for SBA or other programs, or just doesn't want to use their own money, and they'd like to get funding for it.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, it sounds like it's a good tool potentially for some of the smaller businesses that don't qualify for SBA lending because the
Yeah,
business
for sure.
is not cash flowing properly, or the books and records are sketchy. They don't have any
Yeah.
records that'll satisfy an SBA lender. So
Yeah,
always,
we don't look at any of that stuff, any of the business stuff. It's strictly just personal loans. We're just able to get much higher amounts than clients would be able to get on their own. So,
all right. And then you guys charge them a 15% fee?
yeah, once they're fully funded, we invoice them the 15% on the back end. They're able to use the money that they just got to cover that fee instead of having 20% of their own money to put down. They're able to use the money they just got, and once they're invoiced, they actually get a receipt and everything. So they're able to write that off as an expense to the business at the end of the year.
Yeah.
As you know, with a down payment, the only way you ever get that back is when you sell the business or the property or anything like that. So, just an option for clients to have out there, for any brokers that are interested in maybe discussing these more or anything like that. We could set up a call one of these days,
Yeah.
and
Just put your contact information in the chat, and that way,
we'll do.
if somebody's interested, they can reach out to you.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. So welcome everybody. We're gonna get started. All things related to business brokerage, and as you can see, we're just talking about financing. How do you finance business acquisitions, right? So for the most part, most of the time, we're looking to finance using small businesses. At least we're looking to finance using SBA loans, but there are a lot of businesses out there that don't qualify and for SBA loans because the business doesn't cash flow. And in some cases, the business might be okay, but it may be that the buyer has some credit history issues or things where they're not going to qualify. So
Right, Tanya,
usually,
can we get the name of the company?
Yeah, it's Preferred Funding Group.
Okay,
I could put everything into the chat. I'll leave my phone number on there, and we can always
okay,
set up a
thanks.
time for a call.
yeah. So, yeah, so there's lots of different options out there. And it's always good to have multiple tools in your tool chest, right? Because you can't approach businesses and business sales with a one size fits all because it just doesn't work that way. So you always need to be open to other opportunities and just be open to listening to the clients. What do the clients need? And then check your toolkit and see what you have that might work for them, right?